Good morning, students. Today our class is English and we will study uh, figures of speech. Uh, you can see in your grammar part that most of time one or two figures of speech is given. So you do not aware what is figures of speech. Only two chapters are remaining, 9 and 10. So I will study after the examination. Now we will study figures of speech. I will give you its PDF file that you can write, that you will write, definitely write in your notebook, and it is very helpful while you speak English. Okay. Now, what is figures of speech? A figure of speech is a departure from the usual form of expression for the purpose of making the meaning clearer, more forceful, or more beautiful. Figures of speech are highly effective for they add vividness, vigor, and beauty to our utterance. Though figures are the ornaments of speech, they should not be used unless they are natural or appropriate and increase the effectiveness of what we have to say. All men, poets, and otherwise constantly employ so called figurative languages. The difference being that the best people use images which are original and poetic, while ours are often overworked and commonplace. The principal figure of speech and the examples I am telling you. One is simile, direct comparison to unlike things. We almost always use the words like or as. So here we the figure of speech simile are same. My daughter dances like an angel. So here like the word like is written. So like how? As an angel. Wandered lonely as a cloud. Silly whistled like a bird. So these are the examples. When you read it, you will understand. Number two, metaphor. An implied comparison made between two unlike things that actually have something in common. Among the most common metaphors are those that refers to our sense of touch, taste, sight, hearing, and smell. Examples are all old flame, boiling mad, I am so hot for her and she is so cooled. I am so hot. I am so hot. Hot means garam. And she is so cool. So it is the metaphor. Symbol. A symbol is a person, place, or thing comes to represent an abstract idea or concept. It is anything that stands for something beyond itself. A symbol is repeatable, concrete image, an object which captures a second level of meaning from a particular experiences. Examples: scales of justice, Lady Liberty, the doves of freedom, the land of the free, and the home of the brave. Number four, personification. A figure of speech in which a manner, object, or constructions is endowed with human qualities or abilities. The tea kettle seemed screamed out in the kettle. The lonely train whistle waited in the distance. So these are the one more hyperbole. Hyperbole is a figure of speech in which exaggeration is used for emphasis or effective and extravagant statement. These book waited on. She had millions of Facebook friends. After a long day, the ASC Interact felt at least 158 years old. So these are the examples of figures of speech. There are lots of figures of speech in our English language, and we will read it or study it accordingly. So this much. Next class we will go for the next. Okay. All the best. Thank you.